India Prime Minister Narendra Modi Assam along Matay Karbi Anglong or kevang ahut Karbi Anglong hemprek kangke aputhak Mate Article 244A alam Prime Minister Amata ningje kangke Assam CM Amate Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma ta ningje kangke Lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang ta hemprek alam kihang jepaklang dundeda aputhak Congress asong atumpen lamthe si jepaklang pon BJP atum ke hemprek ping tungte latum ke Ambani Adani atuma phan ke paplanga saisi claim chop Arunodoi scheme amendment vote chohang ichot pusi APCC General Secretary Apurba Kumar Bhattacharjee pen ningje pon
So Karbi along will cast their vote in favor of BJP. We are providing Arunodoi. We are giving some beneficiary. We have given them the microfinance loan. So that's why it's a guarantee for us that whatever we BJP asks to do, then everybody will do. But they have done a wrong mistake. Modi ji and his government is never the supporter of the common people. They always act for two people, Adani and Ambani. They never thought for the common people. If they thought for the common people, then why they have not controlled the price rise of essential commodities?
Anparta HAD Minister Barim Sumrong Hang Setame CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang ke thang bagbe ahutsi hemprek alam ningje chop Setame India pen ake hoi nai ke bang ahut kopi si dodun joilo kopi si adiman mate ake nangjia son chepaklang dun dedet lake Karbi rara phan kachong thui chot pusi HAD Minister Barim Sumrong Hang pen ningje pon
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang kopi lo ningje do tangka poisa hangdon chot pena kapre ke people Karbi Anglong arata ningke hang Autonomous state within the state of Assam Article 244 implement nangi hang bang bege ningje tap ata ake hoi nei ke bang ho people ningje do people are demand a place on the dialogue Karbi Anglong arata to
News Desk report Karbi Anglong Live